Hello friend, how are you? I am Advocate Gaurav Kumar Gupta. I am Chartered Accountant, I am MBA Finance and PhD holder. माई प्रोजेक्ट डेरिवेटिव मार्केट फ्यूचर ट्रेंड एनालिसिस। आज जो वीडियो बनने जा रहा है वो MBA फाइनेंस एंड चार्टर अकाउंटेंट फाइनल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए डायरेक्ट या वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। इस टॉपिक का नाम है सिक्योरिटी एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया। मैंने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे सेबी के बारे में। द सिक्योरिटी एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया वाज constituted as a regulatory authority over various constituents of the capital market in the year 1988. Though legally SEBI came into existence in 1988, it was more operational and effective from 1982 when it was empowered to secure an autonomous position. SEBI is vested with power concerning various aspects of the capital market, such as regulating to a stock exchange, various intermediaries and mutual fund, and also regulating, promoting investor education and training of intermediaries and the establishment of self-regulating organization. This power also required SEBI to take a step to prevent fraudulent and unfair trade practice, also insider trading in the security market. The organization, the board consists of the following members: a chairman, the investor protection, transparency in work, steady flow of saving, objective of SEBI, promote efficient service and fair practice by the fair practice. पहला तो बी, 2 members from the official of the ministers of central government dealing with finance and law. C.1 members from amongst the official of the Reserve Bank of India. 3 members appointed by central government. The activity of the SEBI, Securities Board of India की जो activity है, can be divided into 4 operational departments. These are primary market department, issue management and intermediaries department, secondary market department and institution department. These departments are headed by the executive director. In addition to this, there are 2 other department, namely legal department and investigations department. These are also headed by the officer of the rank of executive director. Security Exchange Board of India also has 2 advisory committee, one from the primary and the other from secondary market. The committee are constituted from amongst the market players, investors and eminent persons associated with capital market. However, इस प्रकार these committees are non-statutory in nature. Job interested the SEBI. The following describe the function of domain of SEBI. SEBI creates a proper and conducive atmosphere required for the raising money from the capital market. The atmosphere comprises the rules, regulations, trade practice, customs, and relations among the institutions, brokers, investors, and company. It works to restore the trust of investor and particularly safeguard the interest of the small investor. This can be achieved by meeting the needs of the persons connected with the security market and establish proper contradictions among the 3 main group directly connected with operation, namely A, investor, B, corporate sector, C, intermediaries. Security Exchange Board of educates investor and makes them aware of their right in clear and specified terms. It provides investor with information, makes sure that the market maintain liquidity, safety and profitability of the security which are circle for any investment. Security Exchange Board of India creates a proper investment climate and enables the corporate sector to raise the industrial security easily, efficiently and affordable minimum cost. Security Exchange Board of India develop a proper infrastructure so that the market automatically facilitates expansion, growth of business, middlemen like brokers, jobbers, commercial banks, merchant bankers, mutual fund. Thus, it ensured that they provide efficient service to their constituent, namely investor and the corporate sector at the competitive price. Securities Board of India make the law more effective in the existing status as far as they relate to the industrial security, mutual fund investment in unit, LIC saving plans, cheat fund company, security issued by housing industry society, corporation with the purpose of investing in the housing industry project. Securities Board of India creates the framework from the more open, ordinarily and up prejudiced conduct in relation to takeover and merger in the corporate sector to the ensure fair, equal treatment to all security holders. To facilitate such takeover and merger in the interest of the efficiency and prescribe a mechanism for more ordinary conduct. To achieve an objective, the board play dual role by the working both in controlling authority and development institution. This can be described as follows. SEBI, Securities Board of India, devises law with an unfiled set of objectives, single administrative authority, and the integrated framework to deal with all the aspects of the security market. It shall also play an active role in interaction with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, is upgrading and making of accounting auditing standard more effective. It tries to bring discipline in management in financial reporting and the acts firmly with cases with the window dressing and the counting trick are implied determining interest and user of such financial state. इसमें विंडो ड्रेसिंग किया जाता है. विंडो ड्रेसिंग एक बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है जो सीए फाइनल में हमेशा पूछे जाते हैं कि विंडो ड्रेसिंग क्या होता है. ये ऑडिटिंग का पार्ट है, जो ऑडिटर द्वारा विंडो ड्रेसिंग किया जाता है. तो सेबी भी अपना विंडो ड्रेसिंग करवाती है. In introduce a system of two-stage disclosure in time of initial issue and make the compulsory of company to provide details information to all the stock exchange journalists and investor to on demand. In examining to feasibility of the introduced to a dealer network by which the security can be bought sold over the counter in the retail shop. This is a dawn of the smoothened liquidity investment opportunity. It works an authoritative institution to see that the intermediaries are the financial sound and equipped with the professional and competent manpower. It makes lawmaking and observance flexible enough to suit to prevailing market conditions circumstances. It ensures that arbitrary non-regarding automatically self-regulatory growth. अगले वीडियो में हम आपको डिस्कस करेंगे, इसके फंक्शंस के बारे में बताएंगे, पावर ऑफ द सेबी क्या होते हैं, सेबी के गोल्स क्या हैं, डिस्क्लोज इन्वेस्टर प्रोटेक्शन गाइडलाइन 2000 एलिजिबिलिटी क्या होता है, पब्लिक इशू ऑफ अनलिस्टेड कंपनी क्या है, लिस्टेड कंपनी क्या है, उसके बारे में जिक्र करेंगे. आज हम थोड़ा सा सेबी के बारे में थोड़ा सा जिक्र किया है. डेट्स ऑल. अगले वीडियो में हम उसको डीप में स्टडी करेंगे.